Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a brand new tutorial for you guys, and this is definitely giving me prom vibes. I was inspired by, the prom season. I've been seeing a lot of beautiful young ladies in their gorgeous dresses and they're beat down, and I was like, let me create a really poppin' prom look. So if you haven't already gone to prom, maybe this is a look that you want to create. I think that this will look really pretty with like a blue dress or a red dress or even, burgundy, black, cream, pretty much any color dress. Let's be real, you can wear this look. I think it would be absolutely gorgeous because we have a lot of just neutral tones. It's still glam, but more neutral than like most looks that I create. More neutral than the last tutorial that I just did. If you decide to create this look, whether you are going to prom or not, if you're going out with your friends, maybe a birthday look, please tag me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, whatever it is that you post it on. I would love to repost it and share with all my friends and followers. Do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload a new video. And I would love it if you stuck around and became part of the family. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, let's get started. So I'm prepping my eyelids with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to blend that out and set it, and we're going to use Melon Pigment from MAC Cosmetics as my brow bone highlight. This is my favorite brow bone highlight of all times. So the two stacks we're working with from MAC Cosmetics is Dark Matter and the Rust stack, and I'm first taking this mustard yellow shade called Rubbish, and I'm using that as my transition color. And then we're going to take Blur from the Dark Matter stack, and I'm just going to diffuse those edges with a MAC 224. Then we're taking Rust, and we're just going to deepen up that crease on a smaller blending brush just to give the eye a little bit more definition. Now I'm taking Enigma, which is this red shade, and I'm going to just blend out that rust. So like between the mustard yellow color, which was Rubbish, and the dark brown, the really warm brown Rust, and I'm just blending that out. And now I'm taking Rot, which is this dark brown shade, and I'm just placing that on the outer corner, the inner corner, as well as the crease, because we are creating that cut crease halo eye. And I want to know, guys, how do you guys like the tutorials when I'm only showing you one eye opposed to two eyes, so that way the tutorial is shorter? I figured if I do it this way, you're still seeing what I'm doing, but the tutorial is just not as long and drawn out. So leave a comment down below of what you think about this. So now I'm taking the Tarte concealer again, and I'm cutting just the center of my eyelid, and I'm just dragging it down, and I'm going to blend it out. Now I'm taking a little bit of the shade Rot and blending out the edges where the Rot meets the concealer, and then I'm also taking Enigma and doing the same thing. Now I'm taking the shade Classic, which is this off-white matte shade, and I'm placing that right on the center of the lid where we placed the concealer. Now I'm taking MAC's Reflex Pearl, which is a really finely milled glitter, with a little bit of MAC's Mix and Medium eyeliner as an adhesive, and I'm placing that in the center. Now I'm taking the oh so famous Inglot number 77 Gel Liner with a MAC 210 brush, and I'm just lining my eyes, but I'm not doing a wing liner. Now I'm taking these new eyeliners from Pixi Beauty. This is a black shade. It's a retractable eyeliner, and I want to tell you guys, it is amazing. I had it on for about 14 hours and it was still there. It did not bleed at all. So yes, I'm putting that in my waterline, and then I did Smoky Stretch Mascara from Makeup Forever, and now I'm popping on some 3D Mink Lashes that I got from Aliexpress. I'm covering the band of the eyelashes with a little bit more of gel liner. Now for complexion, I did the Makeup Forever Step 1 face primer, which is the hydrating one, and then I did my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Tahoe, and I'm applying that with a beauty blender. Now I'm taking my favorite concealer, the Studio Waterweight Concealer in NC35, and also applying that with my beauty blender. This is a really hydrating concealer, so if you have oily skin, I do not recommend it for you at all. Now to set this concealer, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, of course, and applying that with my beauty blender as well. With my favorite bronzer of all time, this is the Becca bronzer in Ipanema Sun, and I'm applying that with this e.l.f. bronzing brush. I don't really remember the name of it, but I can leave it down below. And I'm just bronzing up my face, and then I'm going to take the Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder in the shade Deep and just kind of contour with that. And for blush, I'm using my new favorite. This is a mineralized matte blush from MAC Cosmetics. It is new. It's in the shade Flirting with Danger, and it's gorgeous. And now I'm taking this gold face powder from MAC. This was limited edition from the holiday collection, and I am just dusting away that powder. And now, because I felt like my skin was looking a little dry, I used my Fix Plus in the coconut set. And as for highlighter, we're using the Reezy and Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, which is absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm taking the actual shade Dark Matter from the Dark Matter stack, and I am placing that at my lower lash line to smoke it out. And then I'm going to take Enigma and blend out the black shade. I'm taking a Reflex Pearl again, but with no adhesive, because I want this to kind of just be like a little messy and not so concentrated in one area. I'm taking that and I'm placing that over the black shade. And then I took my Reezy highlighter and I just put that in the inner corner. Now with the Tatcha Luminous Spray, I'm just giving myself a good mist because I feel like dewy skin is absolutely gorgeous, especially in photos. And for prom, you're going to be taking a lot of pictures, of course. Now with my go-to brown lip pencil, this is MAC's Chestnut lip pencil. I'm just lining my lips. And then as for lipstick, I'm going to be taking the liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors in the shade Sand, and I'm placing that in the center. You want to make sure you blend that out, whether you pat your lips together like I'm doing here, or you can use a brush and kind of feather it and then just go back over it with the lip pencil, because you want this to be nice and blended. I got a lot of compliments on this lip, so I encourage you guys to try it. It was definitely a hit. Now for lip gloss, I'm using Go Very Lightly from MAC Cosmetics, which is a new lip gloss, and I'm just placing that all over, and that completes the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you're loving it. If you decide to recreate it, please tag me. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video and turn on your notification bells. So I will see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.